I'm taking my dirt bike on an exciting ride through narrow village trails. My goal is to enjoy the beauty of nature, experience the thrill of riding, and share this adventure with you. This place is known as Harissa Village. The locals mainly use tuk-tuks and motorcycles to get around, but the roads here are really tough to ride on. During the rainy season, the roads get even worse, making it extremely difficult for them to travel. It's a beautiful area and an amazing ride. You can clearly see that this is a remote village where people live under challenging conditions. Most of the villagers here depend on farming for their livelihood. Distance, you can see the Harana Kanda Forest Reserve. Right at the base of these mountains, beyond the paddy fields, lies Gawaragiria Village. This is the main road from Gawaragiria Village to Ayagama Town. I hope you enjoyed this ride and the adventure in this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll see you again in another epic riding adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and join the journey. Thank you.